Get that from
Yeah.
You gotta look up frontward. Dirty.
Yo. Don't. Come on. Kept falling.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
Oh gosh, yo, it's about to go down. It's you're still in the car. Wow, man, it's about to go down.
Unfucking believable.
It's more powerful backward.
Full John backwards, but he.
Actually, yes, it is.
Yeah, it's got more traction. The tires.
You have all the torque that you want when you're going backwards. You do.
Tires have more traction, also spinning backwards.
I'm just gonna jerk you out of that hole. Don't go crazy. That's right.
You pound on that fucking reverse, man.
Oh, he's got to blow it up.
Try to. He's fucking.
Boom! Well, there,
Yeah,
what was that? My Chevy.
Can I use my strap?
Back up.
Benito. I'll pull you out with this thing.
Yes. You good? Watch out.
I'm going over there, Ma! Yeah! I'm going over there!
Chevy's still stuck. There's a tree!
But yeah, you gotta get here, tighten it up, man. Get up here. You're against the tree, buddy. Look at you.
I know, I want to try to bring the front end this way a little, right?
You want to go that way.
Unhook.
You want to go that way.
Go through the car!
Go that way.
Go through the thing, right?
Wait.
No.
He'll make it through that thing.
No.
Truck's freaking messed up.
Making shit.
Right. Right that way. You will.
You guys so drunk, dude.
All the way that you can. Go forward.
Now go down. Go back down.
Go forward.
I
All the
will.
way. Turn your wheel to the right.
I can't turn my fucking wheel to the right until I go.
That bad. Holy fuck.
Baby, baby!
Yeah, baby.
Got Jimmy on the mud.
Oh, you son of a bitch.
Yeah, get stuck again! Wow, that's how I do it!
She was forward and blasted him with mud. I'm not the only one. Look at you. Come on, you get her out of there now. Oh, I got it all over
If it
me.
goes easy when I go,
I'll get it.
Angie! Your mom.
Drinking his beer.
Cover your fucking white ass.
This is crazy, man.
Motherfucker.
Yeah, Brian, what are you gonna do?
Nothing.
Thinks he's gonna pull him
Yeah, man.
Dude, the branch got
I'm a redneck
stuck in the
too.
freaking tree.
I'm a redneck too. Fire. Come on.
He thinks he's gonna pull him out.
Oh,
So this thing better not die on me.
No, don't. I can't do it. People people will recognize me. I can't do it.
Ryan, wait. Go slow like that.
You roll right on it or something.
I gotta let my tires clean out.
Hey, come. Stop, Brian. Stop. You're only hurting yourself.
That's true though.
Ryan, man. Done for it. Oh, that goal's bigger than me. That hole is almost bigger than me.
You come close. You come close. Come on.
Look, look at the hole.
Wow.
Deep.
Come along. Just as a fucking.
You gotta get it out, Ryan. Come on.
Come closer, though. I'm gonna tighten this up, man.
More beer, more horsepower.
Yeah. Woo!
Dang.
You want to come closer? That way. You want to come as close as you can.
You still gonna go through that
Well,
thing, right?
if you come, this is the tree that's got to leave right there.